So good evening, everybody. So today I'm going to be talking to us or showing us how to get or to draw our trend lines on strong levels where we can take trades using those levels. Okay, let's dive right in. Remember to like, subscribe for more content like this. I'll be teaching different aspects of different trading strategies that I use. Okay, let's dive right in. Now, first thing you should know is when trading, you first observe your trend, and that's very important because that shows you, okay, where am I going? Where is everybody going, and where should I be going? So first off, um, as you can see, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend, and like I said, you identify your levels based on the trend. Based on the trend. So first, this is a minor uptrend here, as you can see. So first of all, you draw your trend line, and for you to draw your trend line you need at least two touches on that level, two touches on that level. Then you can identify or you can accept it as a strong level. Also observing the also observing the reactions of people on that particular level. So this is a minor downtrend. So now this is the minor uptrend rather, sorry. So now I just drew my level. So already you can see that when price came to this level, you could see a bounce from this level. So since I've gotten this as two touches on this level, then I'm expecting the fact that when price gets back to this level again, closes close to this level, I'm expecting buyers to come in. Already I told you this is an uptrend, so you can trade like this. It's a simple strategy you can use to make money daily. When the price comes back to that level, you expect at least buyers to come in, and as you can see, buyers came in when the price got to the level. Buyers came in for at least for one candle. That's a win. Then you wait the next time price comes here, well, you can see price comes down to the level again. Buyers came in. Although this bearish candle did not close very close to the level, or as you can see from the touch of the level, you could see rejection from buyers. Okay, let's take another example, maybe using a downtrend this time. Like I said, two touches at least, and you have figured a strong level. Two touches at least, and you get a strong level. Okay, now let's use this. Okay, this is still an uptrend. Let's use a downtrend this time. So when price doesn't come to that level, you don't necessarily have to trade. It's not a must to trade at that moment. When price gets to that level, you trade. If price doesn't come to the level, you are here to make money, not to lose money. If price doesn't come to the level, don't bother trading. Now this is a downtrend, as you can see. So starting from here, you could draw your trend line. Like I said, two touches that one. Let's start with this. Now, this is an example. Okay, as you can see from this level, sellers came into the market. You could see immediately buyers brought it back. Sellers came into the market again. Buyers brought it back. Sellers came into the market. As you can see, it's a downtrend. So the next time you expect sellers to come in when price gets to this level, as you can see, the same thing happened. When price got to the levels, you can see sellers coming in. This is how you identify it. It's strong level using trend line, and you can trade with this strategy. It gives you at least 90% winning ratio. I use this, it gives you at least 80 to 90% winning ratio. I use this for my everyday trading and it works. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video because I'll be posting more content, more strategies that you could use when trading binary for daily income.